Well, at a time when India is seeking to assuage the fear and insecurity among citizens from the northeast, as many of them leave their cities of residence in thousands, Mary Kom, the boxing champ who made Manipur a front-page story, says she's pained and depressed by what's happening. Speaking to NDTV in a special show with the Olympic champions, Mary Kom also shared her own experiences of racism by colleagues and sporting fraternity. She said she would never pick a fight, but always tell the bullies that her heart was full of India and that if people wanted her to do well, they needed her to treat her as their own.
As I said in the beginning, you've made us all smile at a time when we're quite depressed about other things. And one of the things we're very depressed about is what we are seeing happening with many students and professionals from the Northeast leaving the cities that they work in, be it Bangalore, Pune, Mumbai, Chennai, because they're scared of what's happened in Assam will have some impact on them. Even though Parliament has come together and said, please don't go, please don't go. Now, Mary, what would you say to your fellow citizens from your part of the country who are scared today, who are leaving these cities that they live in?
Well, when I heard this kind of problem, you know, I'm also not happy. I'm also feeling that I'm really upset for them. I cannot be focused in my training when I heard this this kind of problem. I want to say that I want to
reach out to them. And,
yeah, and also I want you know, if they are supporting me, then if Indian is have a peaceful love, then I can go ahead in my future. I can achieve in my future. Otherwise, I cannot be, you know, I cannot continue.
Did you ever feel that you were sort of treated badly for being from the Northeast? Because you've spoken in the past sometimes about racist comments and so on.
Well,
Kabhi bura laga?
Of course. बुरा तो बुरा ही लगेगा. You just ask to the audience also.
Yeah.
When means from the Northeast.
Yeah. What they experience.
Yeah. Even when I started boxing, other states
would make fun.
Like they make fun, and they treating her very badly. You know. They giving a bad comments. So I'm very straightforward. I never fight to them. I never speak to them. But I request them, oh guy, please don't say like that. Don't talk like that. I'm also Indian. I'm doing this and that. So if you talking like that, I will not go, you know. I'm requesting them.
Yeah.
My heart is full of India, so I'm participating this and that. So don't treat it like this. Don't talk like this.
Yeah. And today all of India loves you, right?
Now everyone's love me.
Yeah.
I'm so happy. You know, every religion is praying for me when I fight in the ring in the Olympic time. So I'm really happy.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app. Fully optimized for retina display. Full screen view. Faster response time. And Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.